Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. Today in this video we are going to be learning how to create a new account for Tastytrade. First of all, launch open a web browser on your computer or your laptop and in the URL box type in tastytrade.com and search. You'll find yourself in the official website for Tastytrade. From the home page, go to the upper right corner and click on Open an Account. Now, go ahead and enter some of your information such as your country of residence, your email address, type in your username and then create a password for your account. Make sure to create a strong password you can remember later. Finally, click sign up. Now on the next page, you need to go ahead and fill in your personal details such as your first legal name, last name, as it appears on your government ID. Once you are done, you'll be asked for contact information, your residential address info. Go ahead and fill in all of the necessary information. You'll also need to go ahead and confirm your citizenship status, tax information, employment information, and affiliation information. After you do that, you will be able to verify your account. After filling in all of your information, you will be able to create your account. Make sure to upload your required documents and once approved, you can then fund your account and proceed with your account. So that is the process on how you can easily create your Tastytrade account. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.